Hello class, welcome back once again. The next thing I want to show you here is how to record your voice, do a voiceover, over your animated text. How to do a voiceover over your animated text, then probably add music also on it. So we are going to do that now, and that will be the rounding up of our text animation class. So now, how will you do that? The first thing you do is you click on the music option, then you see record. So when you click on record, it will read 1 2 3, then I think because I'm using the recording, so it's not bringing it out. So but one thing that you do is this, I'm doing screen record, so I couldn't record it. But what you do is once you press this and you click on record, it will start reading over it. Then when you start reading over it, then you say the words as it's coming out. You say it out. So I will do it and I will upload it for you guys to see. Thank you very much. God bless you.